gosh, cool? I love magic.
Oh my god, I love people that love magic. This is what a coincidence.
Oh, I know where this is
going.
Wait.
That's not a red card, right? There's
That's a Connor Reynolds.
Oh, that was weird.
You guys believe in hypnosis?
Yes.
Hypnosis?
Can you hypnotize me?
Hypnotize you? I'm going to do this. Okay, check this out. Watch this.
Are you making fall in love with me?
Check this out. Come here, come here.
Who's going to hypnotize me?
I'm going to do hypnosis.
I'm scared. Okay.
I'm going to do hypnosis. I need quiet. Ripple through the book yourself. You do it. Stop anywhere you want. Stop anywhere you want. Remember the word, but don't tell anybody. You got it? Fantastic. Think about one of your words. You got it? Think about the word. Think about how many syllables. Superstition. You have it? You can close. Is that it? Isn't that crazy?
No.
7, 8, 9, 10, right? $10? She's already fallen for it. It's not actually 10. Look, it's just 500.
What's the?
It's not comfortable.
Oh my God!
Wait. One more. Okay, who wants to be hypnotized?
Me.
Right here. Come here. Where's my Rubik's Cube? Here. Look, let me have this. Check this out. Here, shuffle this up. Can you do a Rubik's Cube, by the way?
No.
Okay, I'm going to hypnotize you to believe you can do a Rubik's Cube.
I mean,
one of the world's most difficult puzzles, you are going to be able to do it. Yes. And not only this, the world record is about 30 seconds. I'm going to make you beat the world record in half the time. You need your mind power. Okay. Did you shuffle up? Make sure it's shuffled up. Look at me. Concentrate on my voice. Concentrate on my voice. You, sir, are one of the world's best Rubik's Cube solvers. From this very moment forward, you can solve Rubik's Cube faster than anyone in the world. Not only faster, but twice as fast. Proving that this is absolutely impossible and that this is real hypnosis. Okay? Just believe in me. Okay? I want you to say you believe in me. Okay, watch this. I don't want to touch it. Tell me when it's done being mixed up. And so no one believes you're in on it, hand it to someone else. Mix it up. And then when you're done, hand it to this gentleman and keep your eyes on it to make sure it's not switched for some magic Rubik's Cube bullshit. Give it to him. And then right when you touch it, listen to my voice. Give it to him. You can do this. Now. Believe it. Don't look confused. Just do it. Just go with your gut. Just move the pieces. Move the pieces randomly if you need to. Doesn't matter. Just move the pieces.
Liar!
Release.
What the?
Ladies and gentlemen, the world record holder! I made you think I could solve.
In the few seconds that you hypnotized me, I learned.
He's retained the ability. He'll keep it for life.
Jameson.
That's some crazy talk right there.
7, 9, 12.
Hey, subscribe to me too. You see magic.
Yeah, he's all right.
From this moment on, you're going to be the best in the world at solving the Rubik's Cube. Okay? When it's mixed up, hand it to him. Okay, right now, go. You can do this. Go. I'm going to blow your mind. Watch this. Go. Don't even fight it. Just go randomly using your mind power. Don't think about it. Just go. Just go. You're going to solve it. Watch this. And I cannot believe all you silly motherfuckers believe in this.